Hello students, in this video we are going to start the numerical 1 on surface charge electric field. Question is, given infinite surface charge rho s is equal to 2 nanocoulomb per meter square is placed at y is equal to -2. Calculate electric field at point 3 minus 68 where epsilon naught medium is given as free space and epsilon naught is 10 to the power minus 9 divided by 36 pi farad per meter. So we first draw the diagram related to this question, and the infinite surface charge is placed at y is equal to -2. So we are taking this as a y-axis, and this is y is equal to 0 here, and this is suppose infinite surface charge which is placed at, this is the surface charge. According to question, this is given that it is placed at y is equal to -2, and the point which is 3 minus 68, here y is equal to -6, and this point is on the negative y side because y is -6 here. When we join the vector from surface to the point, then this vector is minus of ay. So the electric field expression due to infinite surface charge, it is rho s upon 2 epsilon n vector. Rho s is 2 nanocoulomb, so 2 into 10 to the power minus 9 divided by 2 into epsilon. Epsilon is 10 to the power minus 9 divided by 36 pi, and the direction is minus of ay. So this 2 and 2 will cancel, this 10 to the power minus 9 and 10 to the power minus 9 will cancel, and the answer is 36 pi minus of a pi volt per meter. So thank you students for watching the video.